The ONS estimates that 1 in 90 people in England had COVID-19 last week. 618,700 people are estimated to have had COVID in England. That is up from 568,100 the week earlier. Well, let's get more analysis of all that from our science correspondent, Thomas Moore. Thomas.
Yes, the Office of National Statistics survey that comes out every Friday is the most reliable survey of the week because it is random. It looks at people whether or not they have symptoms, and that is distinct from the daily figures we get, which of course are just those who have symptoms. And they do show another rise in the number of people who were infected last week. This is up to the weekend, a rise of 50,000 to 618,000 people, 1 in 90, as you say. But and this is a big but, the rate of infection does seem to be slowing. So there were an estimated 45,700 people a day being infected last week. That's down 12% from almost 52,000 a day the week before. Now, 1 week's figures do not make a trend, so we shouldn't read too much into that. But of course, large parts of the country have been living under restrictions for some time. And indeed, the northeast and the northwest cases do seem to be levelling off, and in the northwest perhaps declining, but we would want to see that continuing for another couple of weeks yet before we'd be certain that things were on the turn. So in the northwest, still 1 in 45 people infected. That is markedly higher than in the southeast outside London, where it's just 1 in 217. So potentially some good news there, Adam, but I still think it's early days, and certainly the government scientists will be wanting to see some longer trend data before they say that what they've done has actually worked.